Dude.
Stop steering. Oh,
Dude.
Sorry, I'm bad at it.
Yep. Yep.
Going here. Don't be the way kids paddling is taking us where I want to go.
I should have brought the floaty hook up for this, huh?
It's kind of painful.
And here, you do this.
Just do what? No, I won't keep doing it.
Okay.
We'll just go.
Other side, dude. Other side, or you're gonna keep turning. Other side, Chris.
Oh, this side.
Yeah. Huh? I did earlier.
I did first.
Where? Oh yeah, go over by the Eagle. We're paddling Lake McDonald. We're gonna come up on a bald eagle in just a second here.
I like that little
I'm not sure if you can see him. He's up in that tree. Chris, I need more from you.
What, more?
I need more paddling. More paddling. Gabe, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, paddle a little bit. Gabe, you gotta get your thing out of the water when you're not paddling. Are you paddling, Gabe, or no?
Do you want me to paddle?
Yeah, both of you a little bit.
There's no space.
Keep going. Keep going. Gabe, stop. Chris, paddle.
Please don't. Right there. Right in the lake. See him up there with that yellow beak?
Chris, paddle.
Good, right?
Chris, paddle. Gabe, stop paddling. Okay, Chris, stop. Why do we keep turning that way? Dude, you gotta get your fucking paddle, Chris. Paddle.